Hi, it's Joe with Level Up Your Gym, and today we're talking part 2 of building community relationships. Once you identify your target demographic, where they shop, and ask your members where they go, you're gonna have a list of businesses that you want to reach out to. The best thing you can do is to leverage your connections to get an introduction to that business. Your connections could be as simple as the member says, I go to this gymnastics studio with my daughter a lot. I see a lot of other moms there. You can reach out to the gymnastics studio and say, I work with Heather, one of these moms. She said she loved your service, and I'd like to set up a time to come learn more about it. Would that be okay with you? So you ask the question, you make the connection. So the introduction is really powerful. A more powerful way to do the introduction is ask your gym member for an email introduction. CC you on it, send it to the person, say, hey, I go to this gym. They want to talk shop, learn more about your offerings. Would that be cool? So now you have that third party principle of being introduced. So strategic relationships are critical in your community. The best way to get your foot in the door is to get an introduction. Start the conversation. Don't start with an offer, and then you can build the relationship from there. Hopefully you found that helpful. If you did, please share this video with another gym owner so they can start building their company as well.